This is the Worx 4-in-1 WX092.9 20-volt power sharing battery pump. So let's have a look in the box and see exactly what we get for our money. So to start with, you get your leaflets. It's the operating manual. Again, that's basically a quick start. Other items, I guess. There you go. So this is your Worx pump. Now this is very good quality. It's got to be said. Once again, Worx knocks it out the box with quality. This is a 4-in-1 product. So let's start off. So on here, you've got all your accessories. This is for blowing up a balloon or whatever. You've got one for a pump, and I guess that's for an inner tube, or you know, those rafts and things, and that's for your push bike. We've got a light here. Now let's pop that on. You'll like this. Oh, we can't. No batteries. So, as we've just realized, this doesn't come with a battery. So the price of this costs a little bit more if you've got the one with the battery, but this particular one is without the battery. So what type of battery do we need? So we need our battery. This is a 20-volt maximum battery, which I'm using. You can get the bigger ones to fit as well, but this is going to set you back a good £50, give or take. Very easy, straight in, same as everything else you buy from the Worx. We'll do the light first. Straight on with the light. That's low, that's high. And you'll like this one. Emergency light. That's cool, isn't it? Yeah, we like that. Let's turn this off. So getting back to the actual dials itself, it's so easy to set up. Turn them on. You've got your LED light on there. Now to move this across the top here, to change from bars to PSI, you've got to press them both together. Like that, see? And it goes across the top. That's bar. So that's 2.4 bar. Now if you want to set that bar up or down, you press one way or the other, all right? Like this. So if we want 24, there you go. And then all we need to do is just press this one. Once you've fitted this to the Tyre, all we do is press go. There we go. Now we'll pop outside and you can see me actually using it. It's going to be that easy. So we first start off by putting our little connector in. Now this needs to go onto the Tyre. So undo this. Undo this one and just screw this on. Like that. Now we need to set this, so we've got the battery on, press it, PSI 60, and that's what this goes up to. So just push this on, like that, and just press go. And that's it. .4 bar we want. That's 2.4 bar. And just connect it to the Tyre. Like that. And press go. So there we go, folks. A simple pump. And it's not very much money. The only dearest part you've got are these, the batteries, because these are the ones that cost the money. And that's what I like about this product. It's share a battery. And the thing is, when you've got things like, I started off buying the Worx Hydro Shot. Had 2 batteries, 2 chargers. Now I thought, what's next? Well, I decided the main thing is to get another toy to go with it. So what did I buy? Yeah, a light. Then I bought a hedge trimmer. Then I bought this. And then I got another surprise for you folk later. Yes, another toy I bought to go with these batteries. It's like anything you can find that's got these batteries in now, because I've got these batteries, you're tending to look for products that aren't too expensive to use with these. Now, like I said, this is going to set you back about 50 quid. And I can't quite remember how much this actually cost me. If I vaguely remember, I think it cost me about £50, this did. I mean, how many of you guys are actually using one of these? You fit it in the car, you dangle it around, you've got to keep the engine running. So in the garage, I've got a compressor. Now, it's quick and easy to use a compressor, but as you appreciate, one of these is half the time. So which is best out of these two? There is no argument, this one. Okay, you haven't got any batteries with this one, and you need batteries with this one, but this one is the one to have. I'm using this non-stop now. In fact, every time I need it, it's so easy. You just click the batteries in like that, and off you go. It is a piece of cake. And I would say, without a shadow of doubt, get yourself one of these. I really think that's a great bit of kit. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, check out the description. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Glean Truth. Laters!